What is up, guys? Today we're doing a wheel bearing on a 2006 Toyota Corolla. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start by taking off the wheel. Now let's see if that... See? Do it. So once you get the wheel off, you're going to take the rotor off. Next, we're going to take out these wheel bearing bolts.
And you really want to make sure you go back and forth. Don't just loosen because you could break the bolt. Make sure you tighten and loosen because you might break the bolt. I actually broke one of the bolts on the other side, so just a fair warning. This Milwaukee was able to get it done. So screw that bolt all the way in, then back it out just a little so when you hit it, it has room to punch the wheel bearing. And when you're hitting this, make sure you put a socket on the bolt or else you're going to mushroom the head. This will get the wheel bearing out. I show you a trick right here. You can't just hit one. You actually have to hit the top left and top bottom. Because I'm actually showing you how to do this job on a car with a lot of rust, not a brand new car. This is reality. So make sure you put a socket on that.
I'm going to show you guys the trick to this video. What I struggled with the most was to get this wheel bearing out, you want to put one bolt in here, one bolt in here, and then put a socket on the bolt. Soak it in PB Blaster or WD-40, and then hit this from the back, the bolt. Put the socket on the bolt, boom, 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 boom. So this is what it looks like with the wheel bearing off. We're gonna go in here and clean this up with the wire drill thing. So the new one can slide in easy. Don't want to overdo it, but just enough. Now the important thing is on this wheel bearing, the top is actually bigger than the bottom. If you look right here, they try and fool you. So make sure you pay attention to what side's bigger or it won't go in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in and then thread the bolts in and then press it in by tightening the bolts. Alright, now we're going to draw this wheel bearing in. Make sure it goes in nice and steady. And then torque them all to 45 foot-pounds. Tight, tight, tight.
I feel like we should do the other side.
Yeah, we should.
Sorry, you have the
Now we're just going to reassemble everything, put the rotor back on, put the wheel on, and we're done. If you got some knowledge out of this video, please smash that subscribe button.